Wanda's such a good friend of mine, but she never tells me what goes on there. I imagine they drink tea and discuss how to reform government and things like that.
Sort of. Not exactly.
Can't you wangle me an invitation?
That lady is gonna be in for a surprise when she goes to the Reform Club. This place is very strange. You see nothing. At least there's a lot of places for me to conceal myself.
You have been decontaminated. Please proceed.
Oh my god! What happened here?
Testing Formula A317.
We don't matter. Just because we can't take choice. That gives you the right to do as with plague.
Oh my god! I did not mean to run.